Yeah, hi friends, welcome to Techie Study and Azure DevOps series. In this session, we are going to go through like how to create a continuous integration pipeline. So let's go ahead and do that. So create new pipeline. So here we need to use classic editor. So one more thing I want to show you. Go to the project settings, leave. So if you want to show uh, the classic mode, right? So we need to change the settings here. So make sure you need to disable these two options. Then only it will show the release pipeline and the classic mode. So make sure this is the main important thing. You need to disable these two parts. If you will enable, here release is showing, right? It won't show the releases. Let me show you that. Refresh. Let me create new pipeline. See, the classic mode is not enabled now, right? So let me go ahead and enable that. Off it. Let me refresh. So we have two data factories ready. Two data factories are ready. So in this data factory, we don't have anything, right? So meanwhile, we will create this one, okay? So this is the Azure DevOps. This is our repository and area of publish. Click continue. Click on empty job. Azure Data Factory, CI, continuous integration. Okay. So this is nothing to change. Here this is the one, main branch and publish, everything is same. And we can uncheck this shallow patch is not required. And this is the agent job. While kicking off, it will use the parallel jobs. Okay. So if you want to show the parallel jobs, I will show you the error. So whenever you will starting, you need to send the request to the Microsoft. I will show you that. So now click on publish. Publish build crafts. Click add. So this what it will do. It will drop and recreate. Here we need to pass our the case demo folder. Click save it. Okay, that's it. So our build pipeline, continuous integration pipeline is ready. So if anything variables, we can add it here and triggers. So if you will enable this trigger, so whatever the publish changes are available in the, whenever the changes will push the changes, new changes to PDF publish, automatically this will trigger. I will show you that as well. Okay, save it. Yeah, it's saved. So before all, let me run this run pipeline manually. I will show you how to trigger automatically. We have enabled the trigger already. Let me publish. Once this is completed, I will publish the new changes. Then it will automatically trigger the continuous integration pipeline. See, agent job is kicked off. You can see the log and done. So this is done. I want to show you one thing. So here, see, previous both all runs are failed. So what it will give the error? Let me show you that. See, no host parallelism has been purchased or granted. To request free parallelism grant, please fill out following form. Right, this is the URL. So this is the URL. Copy. Enter your name, email address, and your organization email account here. This one, the up to here. Organization URL here, and click private or public and submit. So it will enable 1 or 2 days parallelism. Then only we can able to practice or whatever we can do it our Azure integration, continuous integration pipeline. Okay. So this is the error I want to mention. Now it's completed. So let's go ahead and publish the new changes. We have enabled the trigger for this so that whenever we will push the changes, it should automatically trigger. So previously we have manually triggered, right? So now let's go ahead for our test. This one, let me update format. Okay, validate. It's done. Save all. Save. Now we have saved. I'm doing directly in the main branch. If you want to see how to create future branch, how to develop in future branch, how to push the changes, how to create the pull request. So previous session I have explained. Please go through the previous version, previous videos. So let me publish. So once we will publish the changes, then only ARM temp this one publish branch, ADF publish branch will update. So in that case, the trigger will kick off our continuous integration pipeline. Publish is completed. Now it will generate the ARM templates. So ARM templates is generated. Let's go ahead and check the pipeline status. See, automatically it's kicked off. So whenever the changes we will publish from future branch to main branch, we will commit the changes. Once the committing changes merged, then we will publish it in our data factory. Then it will automatically publish the changes to ADF publish branch. Keep in mind, always we will work with ADF publish branch in um, continuous integration pipeline or CICD. So remaining thing we will database migration or those kind of stuff we will use for main branch only. So coming sessions I will explain you about database migration as well. So this is about today's session, continuous integration pipeline. Coming continuation, we are going to create a release pipeline. So in release pipeline, we are going to uh, deploy the changes to our uh, techie the study demo data factory to techie study. Here, if you will see, no nothing is there. So whatever we have in this data factory, all pipelines and connection strings, everything will come here. Okay. So this is about today's session. So guys, if you are watching first time, please subscribe to my channel and to get new notifications and real-time scenarios. and suggest to your friends to subscribe to get more notifications. Please do like, subscribe, comment to get better reachment to the people. Thank you so much. Bye bye.